Hello friends, hope everyone is doing great. See, the purpose of this presentation is getting introduced you to StatPro V8i. This is brought to you by CanterCAD Chamarajpet, number 10, second floor, Sissi Road, Chamarajpet, Bangalore 18. So this is me. My name is Nakul Srinivas Murthy. I'm a project management specialist as well as drafting, modeling and analysis trainer. This is my mobile number, this is my mail ID, and this is my LinkedIn profile. So a brief introduction about me. I have like 11 years of experience in providing project management services to the construction industry. So I basically expertise in project management tools like MSP and Primavera, and I've helped the construction industry to manage projects efficiently using these wonderful tools. Also, I specialize in training civil, mechanical and electrical engineers in modeling, drafting and analysis as well. I consider myself fortunate enough to have worked with real estate companies like Ozone Developers, Mantri Developers and Choba Developers collectively for a span of 8 years and understood their perspective of construction industry. Also, I consider working with Tatas and JLL as a feather in my cap as they follow core values of customer satisfaction and ethical standards. For obvious reasons, both possess high standards of project management, following it and training their workforce towards being project management specialists. It's a pleasure being part of these wonderful companies and learning from them. So what are the contents of this presentation? History and brief about the tool, purposes and uses, advantages of the tool, which is better tool to learn for structural analysis. Basically, this is a basic question I'll get from all structural engineers, like what is more effective, what is better, StatPro or ATAPS. So we'll try to answer that question. Getting started with the tool, what is default page, what are the parts of the page, designs, what are the designs made using this tool, and what are the companies which are using this tool. So history and brief about StatPro V8i. StatPro is a structural analysis and design software, as we all know, developed by Research Engineers International in 1997. In late 2005, Research Engineers International was bought by Bentley Systems. StatPro is one of the most widely used structural analysis and design software which have been used worldwide. It supports over 90 international steel, concrete, timber and aluminum design codes. The I in the new V8i version stands for intuitive, interactive, intrinsics, incredible and interoperable. So Bentley calls V8i the most comprehensive and significant release in its history, which took a total investment of over $1 billion and spans across the vast arrays of disciplines with underlying theme and mission. Some of the top engineering fields in the world use StatPro V8i. So what is the purpose or uses of StatPro? StatPro is a comprehensive and integrated tool providing FEM, which is finite element analysis and design, offering that also includes a state-of-art user interface, visualization capabilities and international design codes. It is capable of analyzing any structure exposed to static, dynamic, wind, earthquake, thermal and moving loads, and also provides structural analysis and design for any type of project, including towers, buildings, culverts, plants, bridges, stadiums, and marine structures as well. As discussed earlier, it supports over 90 international steel, concrete, timber, and aluminum design codes. StatPro can be used for analysis and design of all types of structural projects, from plants, building, bridges, towers, tunnels, metro stations, water or wastewater treatment plants, and more. So what are the advantages of StatPro? So we have tried to list down some advantages. StatPro shows accurate results in measurements of shear force and bending moment. StatPro does not involve any manual calculation, hence it saves time and increases efficiency. StatPro helps engineers in improving the structure, section and dimensions. StatPro offers faster methods of designing the structures. StatPro is ideal for measuring a wide range of loads such as live load, dead load, wind load, snow load, area load, or even floor load. StatPro is sophisticated and multi-featured structural designing software. It offers an open architecture, OpenStat. OpenStat allows engineers and other users to link in-house or third-party applications with StatPro. For example, a user might create a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel to analyze and design a circular base plate using support reactions from StatPro. So what it means to say is, it can interact with other third-party softwares, where you can use another software for modeling and you can bring in that data into StatPro for analysis. It works, right? Unlike your ETABS. ETABS is not open, like your coding and all, it's not visible, but you can do that in StatPro. StatPro is featured with a design that use the US codes, British codes, Euro codes, Canadian codes, Japanese codes and nuclear codes as well. So a basic question from all structural engineers, which is better, StatPro or ETABS? Our answer for this question is, it depends on what you are designing. See, ETABS is good over StatPro if you are designing a reinforced concrete structure. The user interface is easy, the analysis of values of RC structures are better, and we get economical steel data from ETABS compared to StatPro. Okay, so that is the reason we prefer ETABS over StatPro when we are designing reinforced concrete structure, RCC structures. StatPro is good over ETABS for the analysis of steel structures, frames, as the codes and user interface is better integrated in StatPro. ETABS is preferred over StatPro as it is seen as more reliable for reinforced concrete design, as it provides inbuilt options for optimization, seismic analysis parameter calculation like P delta analysis, non-linear direct integration analysis, time histories, pushover analysis. It even has options for wind analysis and with loaded codes, and can consider gust loads as well. Few of the above options are not available with StatPro. But our final suggestion for the student is to learn both ETABS and StatPro to learn different aspects of structural engineering. So getting started with the tool. So what all it includes? It includes main title bar, menu bar, toolbars, page control, main window and data area. So you can see the default page have numbered it accordingly from 1 to 6. Let us have a brief discussion on the parts of StatPro. So main title bar. Main title bar obviously includes the program and model names. The main title bar is highlighted when the program is in use. Menu bar. It contains the commands and program menus required to perform specific actions. Toolbar consists of buttons made of single click access to commonly used commands. Holding the mouse on any button without clicking will show the short description of the button's function. Page control. The page control is the set of tabs that appear on the leftmost part of the screen. Each tab on the screen allows you to perform specific tasks. The organization of the pages from top to bottom represents the logical sequencing of operations such as definition of beams, specifications of member properties, loading, and so on. So main window. This is the largest area at the center of the screen, is the primary screen from where the model generation actually takes place. It is important to formalize ourselves with the components of the window before we create the RC frame. And when we come to data area, the right side of the screen is called as the data area, where different dialog boxes, tables, list boxes, etc. appear depending on the type of operation you are performing. For example, when you select a geometry beam page, the data area contains the node coordinate table and the member incident table, right? When you are in the load page, the contents of the data area changes to display the currently assigned load cases and the icons for different types of loads. So what are the designs made using this tool? We have tried to list down some designs, right? So this is a multi-story building which is designed using StatPro. This is one of the steel structures being designed using StatPro. It's not like you can't design RCC or steel with ETABS as well. It's only the preference which usually engineers prefer. There are some companies like use both ETABS and StatPro. For example, AECOM uses both. Ramboll, they are basically like infrastructure designers. They majorly prefer StatPro. Bechtel is one more MNC. Atkins, an MNC, a big MNC, which has their services all over the world. Quest is one more company which has its headquarters in Hyderabad. Stress Engineering Services, INC. Khatib and Alami, it's a Lebanese company. And that's it, guys. For more details and further training in our institute, please do contact us for both online and offline training, right? It's Cantacorate, Chamarajpet, number 10, Sirsi Road, Chamarajpet, Bangalore 560018. You can also WhatsApp or call the mobile number 944 810 2464.